Alrighty, everybody. Welcome back to Fun Filaments 3D RC, and we're going to be showing you my my next project here, and I'm designing my own flatbed trailer in Blender here. Now I'm doing a little kit bash, or shall I say, file bashing here. The axles came from Cutlass 3D. I'll leave a description and link below. The suspension arms came from the Lowboy trailer from Build It Better, and the airbags also came from the Lowboy trailer. The tires and the rims were a free download off of Cutlass also, or was it Thingiverse? I'm not for sure where I got them from. I kind of lost the where I got the STLs from. But other than that, the rest of the trailer is my own design. Alrighty. And I printed up the first piece, and it seems like we're having a little bit of an issue with the 5/16 rod that I'm going to be putting in it. So what I need to do is actually make this hole right here a little bit bigger. See if I can grab everything here. Yep, this is the hole that runs through the whole flatbed trailer that kind of secures everything together. So when I printed up the first piece here, this hole was just a little bit too small. So what I'm going to do is actually make a copy of this hole, extract it, make a cylinder, make it a little bit bigger, and try and make it happen. It's a whole plan. So let's give it a shot here. So first I'm going to do is select this. We're going to make a duplicate of it and slide it off on the Y-axis. We're going to actually separate it from its part. Go into my object, select it, and then we're going to name this one linking rod. L-I-N. I don't type very well. Okay, connecting rod. So then what we're going to do is just take this, I like the whole thing, extrude it out on the Y. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and face it off. Let's grab the whole thing. Okay. Put a face on it. Gonna do So what we're going to do is actually go back in here, set our origin to the center here. So what we're going to do is actually, so we can get it exactly in this center. Grab all of those. Let's go with that. Let's go cursor to selected. That puts the little origin mark right there. Tab back out, grab this, and then let's set the geometry to the origin. Nope. Let's do it this way. There we go. Now that's in the exact center. If we zoom in a little bit, do is do the same thing we did to the other side, is set the origin point to the center of this circle. So we'll select the back half there, going to my tab, going to my vertices, zoom in a little bit, do select all of those, do a shift and an alt, select the rest of those, then we'll do shift S, go cursor to selected, now take that, shift S, like this, we're gonna bring it all the way back, slow that down. Okay, as you can see, we're in the center of that now. Now what we're gonna do is do a blue line on them now. Yep, there's the problem. Wow. Got a bunch of faces that are not facing the right way. So let's just go ahead and clean them up real quick. Alrighty. Sounds like a plan. Alrighty. Alrighty, we're looking pretty good here. Alrighty, everybody, I think that's it. We have wide nose up a little bit, so what we're going to do now is grab the next piece in line here. I'll go ahead and export this out and see what happens now that this has been enlarged a little bit. See if that's big enough. If not, then I'll make it a little bit bigger. And by the time I'm done with it, it should be big enough. Alrighty. Well, I'm Roland for Fun Filaments 3D RC. Thank you for tuning in for this little sneak preview in the building of the flatbed trailer that I'm designing, little file bashing. So please subscribe, hit that like button, tell a friend, and until next time, keep on RCing.